So, are you still on the fence? Are you still thinking whether a math class is needed for your child? The school has begun, the academic year has started, and in as good as 3 weeks or maximum 1 month from now, we are going to be having the units, or probably you may call it assessments, in your school. But you're still thinking whether a math program is needed or special math class is needed. I have a tuition teacher who comes home. She's anyways taking care of all the subjects including math. So why do we need a separate class, or for that matter a specialized program in math for your child? Well, let me list out the reasons for you. When it comes to a tuition teacher, she's basically taking care of all the subjects. So as such, the dedicated particular attention to math as a subject is not there. Also, look at it this way: even when your child is going to school, the school teacher, the math teacher, has as good as 30 to 40 to 50 kids to attend to. When we talk about math, it is basically gonna be learning for life and not for a particular exam. And this is what makes it important that your child's base, the concept clarity, the foundation has to be very, very strong. You need to ask yourself powerful questions in order to get the right answers. What are you looking at? Are you looking at training the child only for a particular math exam in the grade that he is in, or for that matter you want to train him for life? And I'm sure as a parent you're going to be resonating with me on this thought process that we have to train him from a long-term perspective. Math is all about numbers. Get the child friendly with numbers, train them on mental math techniques, prepare them for life, make them fall in love with the subject, because here we are paving the way for the 9th and 10th. Once the base is strong, the system is set, the concept clarity has set in, and most important, when we train them for competitive exams, the base gets strong, and most important, the child starts thinking. And this is exactly what we need. You might have noticed several times that teachers in schools train them on basic maths, but when it comes to examinations, when it comes to the test paper, twisted questions are asked. Now why does this happen? Because they are training your child, they are asking your child if the concept clarity has set in, and if this has not happened, your child loses confidence. So what is our foundation math program all about? Well, it is a combination of school math and logical reasoning. We train them on 4 competitive exams in a year. We start off first with global math, which is in the month of September, Olympiads and Ignited Mind in the month of December, and IPM in the month of March, and then depending when the mega IPM exam is. So do make sure that you ask yourself these questions. Are you training your child for just a math exam or for life? And I'm sure you will get the answer to yourself. And if you resonate with my thought process, make sure you get in touch with us on 9820286873, or simply just drop me a mail on sandhya@mentalmaths.in with the subject line "Book your free math assessment." The idea here is where first we evaluate your child, we identify the gaps, and then we have a proper strategy in place to fill those gaps, because ultimately we are looking at eradicating the math phobia and definitely making your child confident and comfortable with math. Bye-bye.